morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Blog 1005. So friends, I hope you all are doing good. I am also fine, keeping fine. And today is a Saturday, so I thought of making another new video. So friends, today from early morning onwards, it has started raining. From 5 o'clock onwards, there was a heavy rain, and now it has stopped. Now it is drizzling. Here you can see. So I like this rainy season, but for people, those who work outside in the paddy field and those who have to go somewhere, for them it is quite difficult. It's not same for everybody. Here is a school bus. Students are peeping from the window. Here is a school bus. This is Ramakrishna Mission School, Aalo. There are so many school buses here because there are so many schools here in Aalo. Because this is as it is the headquarter of the district West Siang. Before, the road was also not good. Now they have constructed the road well, and it is so wide. It's so nice. This school, Ramakrishna Mission School, has so many school buses. Every day I see. And that is another school bus from another school, Kidji Mac School, Aalo. That school is meant only for the kids. That's why the name of the school is also Kidji Mac School. Here you can see, opposite to my building, another building is getting ready. So we can see that this place Aalo is developing slowly and slowly. This is also a bus from Ramakrishna School. Mesok Memorial School, Bodgo, Aalo. There are so many school buses here. Every day I see passing by this place. School bus is arriving. Wow, so many buses from Ramakrishna School. Another one, Ramakrishna School, Aalo. So now I am ready for the class, ready to take my computer class. I am waiting for the students. They are yet to come. They will come at 9 o'clock. I start the class from 9 o'clock onwards, and I close at 12 o'clock. Then I take lunch break, and then again I start at 2 o'clock up to 5 o'clock in the evening. So I'm waiting for the students to come. I'm in the office. This is my office. After 5 o'clock I also take tuitions for some students. Some small kids come to me, and I take tuitions for them. English tuition, English speaking tuition. So there are now 13 students, small kids, class LKG, UKG, class 1, 2 and up to 3. Till now up to class 3 students have come, and I hope many more students will come again. I am not so fluent in speaking English, but I am confident enough to teach others. The parents requested me to teach English, so I said yes, and till now there are 13 students. So in this institute, school students, college students, and also aged people come here to learn computer. And some students have already completed their course in computer learning. So we have an exam today for them. So I'll be conducting their exam at 10 o'clock today. So I have called them at 10 o'clock, and I'll be conducting their exam. There will be a written exam, practical exam, and also viva. Written exam is over. Now we are having practical exam. Now friends, you can see the weather is very clear and very beautiful to see. There is sunshine now, and the rain has stopped completely. So thank you friends so much for watching the video, and if you liked the video, please tap the like button, and please comment in the comment section whether you liked it or not, and please do share the video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel AB Blog 1005. So thank you, see you, bye bye.